Hello, my name is Scorpio Collins.
Hello, my name is Ali Aljaman.
Hi, my name is Hui Long.
And today we will be redesigning a bicycle crankshaft. This is the finished product of the new bicycle crankshaft that we have redesigned.
Bicycle is one of inventions that have had enormous effect on human life, both in terms of culture and advancing modern machinery. Several mechanical structures that played a key role in the development of automobile were initially invented for bicycle, including ball bearing, pneumatic tires, chain-driven sprocket tension, spoke wheel. Bicycle is tremendously efficient means of transportation, even when compared to walking. A bicycle generally has 7 main components, including frame, wheel, drivetrain and gear, steering, brake, suspension, and seating. Bicycle has many interchangeable parts, of which a crankset is one of the most important components that make a bicycle move efficiently. The main components to be redesigned are bicycle crankset, the redesign part, which concentrates mainly in design for assembly. The target is to reduce the number of components, weight, and simplify the component for ease of assembly.
From this slide, we're able to see the exploded view of the new and old crankset design. The new crankset design only have 8 components, of which there are only 5 main components compared to 11 components, which are very complex from the old design.
This slide displays the crank arms and center shaft. This is the main part of the crankshaft. We went from using 5 main parts to 3 main parts into the new part by integrating our hearth joint into the new design.
From this slide, you are able to see that the crank holder have more advantage than the old design when assembling the component. The new design don't require you to press the cup holder onto the frame like the old design. And the new design, the ball bearing were protected by the cup, while the old design, the ball bearing are actually exposed to environment, air and dirt, which will lower the lifespan of the ball bearing. On the new design, the ball bearing is protected by the cup and also protected by the 2 crank arms, which cover the bearing from dirt and air, which extended the life of the bearing. The integration of hearth joint.
The top picture shows a detailed view of the hearth joint. The lower pic shows a see-through view of the hearth joint. The 2 crank arms are secured by only 1 socket head bolt.
Compared to the new design, the old design required 2 bolts to secure the 2 arms to the center shaft.
On this slide, it shows a completed, final full view of our product. The bicycle is one of the most important pieces of machinery that changed the world of innovative modern machinery forever. The frame, wheel, D-train, and gear, steering, brakes, suspension, and seating are all major components of a bicycle. One of the most important pieces to the puzzle of a bicycle is the crankshaft. The crankset of a bicycle is the component of a bicycle that converts the interchanging motion of the rider's leg into revolving motion used to drive the chain, which turn drives the rear wheel. We redesigned the crankset to make the rider's energy output more efficient. The target was to reduce the number of components, weight, and simplify the components for ease of assembly. The old assembly had 11 parts, with 8 of them being critical to the assembly. The new and improved model has 9 parts, with 6 of them being critical to the assembly. The newer model is made of aluminum, with the old model being made of a heavier material of steel. The newer model also is chamfered and filleted, which reduces the weight and gives it a smoother new look. The big difference between the new and old assembly is the updated assembly is equipped with the Hearth joint. The Hearth joint is a high-strength locking joint used initially to connect 2 ends of a shaft and gasoline engine crankshafts. The Hearth cup joint offers a high-strength connection on such relatively small diameter shafts. It has since been used for reversing gears in marine applications and cooling water pumps in almost every sector, including automotive, rail, and nuclear plants. The Hearth joint saves weight. Due to the using fewer parts, there are no risks of the pinch bolts coming loose and dropping a crankshaft form. This simple but complicated piece helps the rider have greater pedal efficiency and a smoother ride. We have worked hard all year and spent many hours on creating this presentation of a new and improved crankshaft. We would like to thank everybody for taking their time out their day to view our final presentation. Thank you and good luck.